In this review, we're diving into the brand new Chat Master AI Friend, the latest AI software that just dropped, and it's making waves. If you're curious about whether it's the next big thing or if it's worth your time, you're in the right place. Stick around until the end because I'll be revealing the 7 crucial things you need to know before jumping into Chat Master AI Friend, including some insights you won't find anywhere else. First off, if you're considering giving it a shot, you can try Chat Master AI Friend completely free by clicking the first link in the description. I'll get into the details of why it might be a game changer for your digital life, but trust me, you won't want to miss what's coming up. Now let's start with what sets Chat Master AI Friend apart from the rest of the AI crowd. This software isn't just your typical chat assistant. It's designed to become your personal AI friend, one that adapts, learns, and helps you improve not just your work, but your day-to-day interactions. Whether you're looking for support with tasks, need personalized advice, or just someone to bounce ideas off of, this AI is built to be that multifunctional assistant. One thing I noticed immediately after testing it is how intuitive the interface is. No more confusing dashboards or getting lost in options. The software walks you through everything, making sure you can dive straight into using it, even if you're new to AI tools. This ease of use makes it accessible to both beginners and seasoned digital marketers alike. A major highlight is the AI's ability to generate personalized responses. Unlike most generic AI tools that spit out one-size-fits-all answers, Chat Master AI Friend tailors its interactions to match your communication style. This means if you're running a business, it can assist in customer service or manage communications with clients on a much more personal level, making it feel like you're talking to a real person. Another feature that caught my attention is its learning curve. It's not just reactive. Chat Master AI Friend becomes smarter the more you use it. So, the more you interact, the more useful and precise it becomes at handling tasks like drafting emails, summarizing meetings, or providing research suggestions. For those concerned about privacy, don't worry. The software comes with strong security features designed to protect your data. It integrates well with a variety of platforms without compromising security, which is crucial if you're looking to use it for business purposes. Also, let's talk about integrations. Chat Master AI Friend doesn't just work in isolation. You can seamlessly integrate it with tools like Slack, Google Workspace, and even CRM systems, making it a valuable asset in streamlining communication and improving productivity. Now, you may be wondering, does this AI actually save time? From what I've tested, yes, it absolutely does. Its ability to assist with repetitive tasks like answering customer queries, managing schedules, and drafting content means you can focus on more important work. In fact, it can save you hours every week, which is a huge plus for anyone looking to optimize their workflow. And finally, let's talk about pricing. While you can try Chat Master AI Friend for free through the link below, there are paid options that unlock even more advanced features like custom AI models and extended integrations. But for the basic user, the free version is surprisingly feature-rich and a solid option for those just starting out with AI tools. So, if you're looking for an AI that feels more like a personal assistant and less like a robot, Chat Master AI Friend could be a great fit. If you want to dive deeper, make sure to check out the free trial using the first link in the description. After trying thousands of AI software options, I've compiled a list of my top recommendations for free AI tools that actually make a difference. Links for those are also in the description below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.